Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, Exogenetic Processes, part 2. Yesterday we have seen work of glaciers and landforms, means that introduction of glaciers. Okay, means where there is a temperature R below the freezing point, that time precipitations means snowfall is formed, means that precipitations form snowfall, and that get fall there from there, and where means because of snowfall layers of snow accumulate, means it's collect together on the earth surface because of this snowfall, and when that means that heap is collected there, that time that may get the heavy weight, and because of that overlying layers snow move to where there is a slope. Okay, snow move where there is a slope, and when snow moves, that time snow start melting because of friction, means because of that snow particles they are rubbing to one another. Okay, they are rubbing to means they are friction, and they get the pressure from above, and that time that glacier starts moving slowly from the slope. And like the river, there are some landforms which are created because of the erosion, transportation and deposition work of glacier. Now we will see erosion work by glacier. First work of glacier, erosion work. Though its velocity is less, the mass of the ice is more. Though velocity means speed with the direction of component. Okay, speed with the direction of the component means if there is a speed is less, the mass of the ice is more. Okay, the mass of the ice is more, and hence the glacier erodes its own bank. Means that time when there is a mass is more, when there is a means that weight, heavy weight is there, that time the glacier erodes its own bank. That time that glacier erodes means erosion means that damage on their own banks. ओन बैंक्स मतलब किनारा जो है उधर वो इरोड हो जाते हैं, उधर वो डैमेज हो जाते हैं, एंड इट्स बेड ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल. Okay, and the erosion work of glaciers produce landforms like cirques, erites, horns, U-shaped valley, hanging valleys, and rock mountains or shipbacks. Means these are the landforms which are formed because of the glacier. Means erosion work of glacier. See, cirques. What is cirques? Cirques, it is a curved depression in a mountainous with the strip wall. Okay, strip wall. See, here is given the picture. See, it is the cirques and horn. See, cirques and horn. Means here it is a cirques where there is means that snow, it's means because of the erosion work of glacier, that snow is melted there, and it start means flowing. Okay, because of the heavy mass, that time that cirque is formed. Its horn means when that snow start melting because of erosion, that time, okay, that time here means strip of the mountain is there, and that time snow means is melting from this place, means on that peak of the mountain, and that time it's look like a horn of animal. Okay, horn of animal. That time we are saying that it's the horn, means that landform is form horn. Okay, then next is eriti. Okay, erites. Erites, it is the means it is also landform. See here, it is not given here, okay, but it is also means formed because of the erosion work, okay. Then next is hanging valley, U-shaped valley. See on the next page there are given U-shaped valley, means it's shaped like a U, means because of the glacier work, erosion work of glacier, that time they get the U shape, okay, means erosion happen there because of the bank of the where there is a hip, and that bank means that किनारे पे क्या होता है, erosion होता है, और उसकी because of that erosion here get the U shape of the both side, and that time it's look like a U shape valley. And then next is see means hanging valley, it's a hanging valley, means that erosion work happen here, and that time it's look like a hanging valley. See that valley is look like the hanging, okay, valley, it's the valley and it's like the hanging, तो टांगते जैसे लगती है, इसीलिए उसको हैंगिंग वैली कहते हैं, ओके. देन another work is not given here, we will see. Okay, thank you.